Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel, My Craft World.
Today we are going to learn very tasty and yummy bread pizza recipe.
Please like and subscribe my channel.
Ingredients: sandwich bread 4 slices, yellow bell pepper chopped half bowl, capsicum chopped half bowl, boiled sweet corn half bowl, red bell pepper chopped half bowl, mozzarella cheese grated 1 bowl, onion chopped 3/4 bowl, tomato chopped half bowl, oregano 1/4 teaspoon, red chilli flakes 1/4 teaspoon, butter or oil, tomato ketchup or pizza sauce 3 to 4 teaspoons, black pepper powder 3 pinch, salt as per taste. Heat and grease the pan with butter or oil. Now toast the bread slices both sides a little. Take another pan and put little butter in it. Add onion, boiled sweet corn and fry it for a minute. Add red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper and capsicum, then fry it for a minute. Add tomato and then add salt. Add black pepper powder and mix it. Add 2 to 3 pinch of oregano. Now our mixture is ready. Take bread slices and apply tomato ketchup. Now spread little cheese and prepared mixture. Sprinkle little red chilli flakes and oregano. Finally, add some more cheese. Now put these bread slices on the pan. Cover it with the lid and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on very low flame. As you see the cheese melting, remove the bread pizza from the pan.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for future notifications.